Josh. I have a 2012 Ram 2500 main cab with Cummins, and today I fixed my center console. A few days ago it just stopped latching. I opened it and it wouldn't close again, the bottom one. So I'm going to show you real quick what I did to fix that. This is the captain's chairs models. Please excuse the mess. I just kind of did it while I was out and about. And bottom one here has these screws with the Torx heads. There's 3 of them. I just use my little Craftsman tool here. Found the tip that fit. And then it didn't come out. So the trick is that the top latches into the bottom. So you just unclip it, it'll come right out. So I noticed that the piece here was crooked, and I got to looking, and on one side you notice there's a pin right here, and on one side it was sticking out, and I looked over at the other side and sure enough it wasn't even set. So all I did was line it up, take a small tool and tap, tap, tap. And now it closes. Gotta put the screws back in. There you go.